Welcome to this channel. This is a complete tutorial. Here you will learn how to create and run a Java project on Visual Studio Code by following its official documentation. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started. To setting up Visual Studio Code for Java development, you can install coding package for Java. It helps you to set up quickly. The coding pack will automatically download and install Visual Studio Code and a JDK distribution on your behalf. But we can do it manually by installing a JDK, Visual Studio Code and Java extension. I am going to do it manually. Ensure that you have installed JDK and have set Java home path environment variable. I have set Java home environment variable here. You will find a link in video description how to install JDK and set Java path environment variable. Okay, now open Visual Studio Code. Now I am going to install the extension pack for Java, which includes these extensions. Search for Java extension pack for Java developed by Microsoft. Okay, now install this extension. It may take a while for installing. The extension project manager for Java will help us to create Java project on Visual Studio Code. It provides a graphical user interface to create Java project. If your JDK has been installed on your system, click on Mark Done. Now I am going to create a Java project on Visual Studio Code. Click on View and then Command Palette. Now type here Java, then clone and then type create Java project. Now click create Java project. Now select the project type. To work with source code directly without any build tools, select no build tools for Java console application project. Okay, now select a project location where you want to store your project. Create a new folder or existing and then select the project location. Okay, now enter a project name. My case, my Java. Hit enter. Okay, Java project has been created. In the Explorer section, bottom of the Visual Studio Code, you will see Java project. Expand and then select the project. Here you will find a plus sign and a run button. You can run this project by click on this run button, and if you want to create a new class inside this project, click on this plus sign, or you can create a new package or run or configure class path, debug this project by right click on this project from here. Okay, now I am going to run this project. Click on run and you will see a message hello world on console and a class file generated automatically in bin subdirectory in your project. You can rename this file hit enter. Okay, and the class name will be renamed automatically. Save this file and run again. Okay, if you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.